Hello guys, no more teeth. I have my teeth on my mouth. See, I put on my pillow because I have two fairy. I give him corn and put on my pillow at night. Then I have a corn down. It's not. I have this mine teeth. You can see my teeth is this. Here is my put on my teeth. Then she's off to my teeth because it's off my teeth on my mommy. Then I was worried. Then the night is turning the light. Then my daddy is and here in my house. He's then I put to my pillow this my tooth like tiny. Then I had this. Goodbye. Guys, I ask you this my teeth. The fairy is real or not? It's real. I have this teeth apart to my pillow. I have to brush this on my under my pillow. And
Where's my fans?
thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my videos. Bye bye.
Follow.
Come follow to my videos and like to my subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.